Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Chime to Chime. Now let's say you have a bank account with Chime and you want to transfer money to someone else that has Chime. What you got to do is go into the Pay Anyone section onto the bottom right section on your phone. Then you're going to press the Pay button. Then what you got to do is put their Chime account details such as a sort code, routing number, and their name of the bank account. Send how much money you want to send towards them, and then that way you've sent money from Chime to Chime. Make sure that of course you do check all of the blogs from Chime to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Of course, making sure that you do have the money into your Chime account. There's many different ways to deposit money. There are videos in the link description, or also if you go into the How to Internet YouTube channel, there are many different videos on how to deposit into your Chime account to make sure that you have the balance and able to transfer from Chime to Chime. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.